Hello guys, welcome to Maths with Educarte. And today we will start with a new exercise, which is exercise 4.1 from our maths textbook. So in the previous video, I have explained you the introduction. I mean the basics of this chapter, quadratic equations. So now this is the part 1 of me doing the exercise 4.1. And in this we'll do the first question with all the 8 parts. Okay. So first part is x plus 1 whole square equals to 2 into x minus 3. So let me tell you, in the first question, we have to tell that either of these equations, either they are the quadratic equation or not. So we will have to solve this, and if the highest power, or you can say the degree of the polynomial of the equation which is coming is 2, then we can say it is quadratic equation. So let's solve this. X plus 1 whole square. So we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Means x square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1. Means 2x plus b square means 1 square, which is 1, equals to 2 into x. 2x minus 2 into 3, 6. Okay, so let's solve this. When you send this that side and this also that side, because the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a not equal to 0. So let's send this. So x square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6. This will go that side and its sign will be changed. So 2x minus 2x cancelled. X square plus 7 equal to 0. So when you see this, x square plus 7 is 0 and the degree is 2. So our answer will be yes. Similarly, we will solve these also. X square minus 2x equals to minus 2 into minus 3x. Minus minus cancel. 2 3 is 6x. So when we send it that side, so it will become x square plus 8x, which is negative. So minus 2x minus 6x. This will become 8x. Plus minus will be minus, equal to 0. So here also degree is 2. So this is also a quadratic equation. Let's continue with these parts. So first of all, there are two brackets. So firstly, this x will be multiplied with x and then with 1. Then this minus 2 will be multiplied with x and then with 1. Similarly, on the right side of equal to, x will be multiplied with x and x will be multiplied with 3 also. Minus 1 with x and minus 1 with 3. Let's do first of all this. So x into x is x square. X into 1 is x. Minus 2. Minus 2x and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Equals to, then x square and x plus 3. X into 3 is 3x. Then minus 1 into x minus x. Then minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. We will have to solve this. Firstly, x square gets cancelled and this will come that side, this will also come this side and this will also this side. So 3x, x minus 2x minus plus x minus 3x minus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. X plus x 2x, these gets cancelled. So minus 3x and plus 1 equal to 0. But highest power is not 2, instead it is 1. But this is a linear equation, so our answer will be no. It is not quadratic. Okay, now this one. We will follow the same procedure. X multiplied with 2x and x multiplied with 1. Minus 3 with 2x and minus 3 with 1. So x into 2x is 2x square. X into 1 is x. Minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x, and minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, equals to, this x will be multiplied with x and then with minus 5. So x into x is x square, and x into minus 5 is minus 5x. So it will be 2x square and minus 6x plus s minus 5x minus 3 minus x square plus 5x. So minus 5x plus 5x cancel. X square and 2x square cancel. So there will be 1x square left. X square and minus 3 equal to 0. So yes, and it is quadratic because it has the highest power as 2. I hope this is also clear, and we'll continue with the fifth and sixth part of this question. It is again the two brackets. So 2x into x, 2x into minus 3, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 3, x into x, x into minus 1, 5 into x, 5 into minus 1. Let's solve. 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 3, minus 6x, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into minus 3, positive 3, equals to x into x, x square, x into minus 1, minus x, 5 into x, 5x, and 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Again let's solve. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus, this will come that side, all these things will come this side. So minus x square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. Now we'll solve these. X square and 2x square, 1x square is left. 4x and minus 7x, so it will be minus 12x. Minus 12x. I mean minus 11x. 7 into 4, 7 plus 4, 11. So minus 11x is here. Okay, this used, this used, this used. So 3 plus 5 is 8, equal to 0. And you can see that 2 is the degree here. So yes, this is also a quadratic polynomial, or you can say quadratic equation. See, if there is something after equal to, it will be equation, but if without equal to, it is a polynomial. See, I am saying this thing as polynomial and this thing as equation, but here the degree of equation is 2. Okay, now this one, x square plus 3x plus 1, this will come as it is, and here we will have to solve it. A plus b whole, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square minus 2ab means minus 2 into x, minus 2 into x. Okay, because we will have to multiply it with 2 and then x and then this. So 2 to the 4 into x, 4x, and then b square is plus 4. When we send it that side, x square minus x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Now if you see, x square and x square is getting cancelled, and 7x minus 3 equal to 0. But this is linear, so answer will be no. It is linear, but not quadratic. I hope this is also clear. And now we'll come to our last two parts, or you can say the last slide of this video, in which we'll do the last two parts of this question, which are part number 7 and part number 8. Let's continue. Here, x plus 2 whole cube. So a plus b whole cube identity is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So x cube plus 8 means 2 cube plus 3a square b means 3 into x square into 2, 6x square plus 3 into a into b square plus 3 into 4, 12 into x equals to 2x into x square. So 2x cube. Then 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. So let's solve this. X cube minus 2x cube. Then 12x minus, here it was minus, so it will go here and it will become plus 2x. Then 6x square plus 8 equal to 0. Let's solve this. So x cube minus 2x cube is minus x cube, 6x square, so plus 14x plus 6x square plus 8 equal to 0. But highest degree is 3. This is cubic. So answer will be no. Because this is not a quadratic, this will become a cubic polynomial. Now this one, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to, then a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square was a plus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a cube, here it was plus 2 and here it is minus 2. So we'll just put the same values. X cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. So let's solve this one. X cube minus x cube minus 4x square plus 6x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. When we solve this, it will be equal to 0. So x cube minus x cube cancelled. Minus 4x square plus 6x square is 2x square minus 13x minus plus 9 equal to 0. So when you see our degree is 2. So yes, this is a quadratic equation. I hope this is clear. And here our question number 1 is over. And from the next video, I will start with our second question of this video. Hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.